Give us your view on the S&P 500, Malcolm. Are you worried that this big run-up we've seen in pretty much the first half of the year, it may be fading?
I do think it's reasonable to expect it to fade. I think there's plenty of bearish signals out there, even though the markets obviously are in this melt-up moment where it's defying gravity and is showing us that it wants to go up regardless of what the technicals are showing. I think that there are very good reasons to be bearish right here. And so you sort of want to hedge your bets a little bit, pardon the phrase, since you just got done telling us what the hedge fund managers are thinking. But I think there's some validity to that thinking.
All right, so kind of walk me through your thinking. How big is the Fed a part of your thinking? We were just showing, the CME futures when it comes to the Fed's next decision coming up on the 13th and 14th of June. There was about an 80% chance of a pause. Do you believe we're going to see a pause? Is that what the market needs to possibly continue this run?
So I don't actually think a pause is what the market needs. I think obviously a pause is what the market is expecting right here, but I don't think that helps us so much as having a very clear indication of where the terminal rate is in Jerome Powell's mind, if he even knows at this point. I think it's when we know where the hiking cycle stops that we actually find out how bad it's going to get, and we can make longer term plans from there. So right now we're all finding it out together, whether it's a skip or a pause. That leaves the door open for additional hikes in the future, which at the same time we're having this liquidity issue due to the debt ceiling. It just makes a very choppy market where there's not a lot of long-term prediction you're able to make as an investor. So the pause sounds good short term, but I don't think it really solves the problem that we as longer-term traders really need Jerome Powell to help us solve.
All right, let's talk long term. So I want to come kind of full circle. What's your take on this AI? You talked about the hiking cycle. What about the hype cycle about AI? And I see your pick. It's Microsoft. A lot of people consider that kind of an AI stock. So why are you so bullish on Microsoft right now? Because it sounded like you were kind of questioning the strength of this rally on the back of AI.
Yeah, so longer term, I see Microsoft as the one true winner, or the one obvious winner in this AI hype cycle, quote unquote. And I'm saying quote unquote just because I don't think it's fair to use the word bubble here like we have been recently with what's happening with regards to AI, simply because the companies that are leading the charge right now aren't the same. It's not like the 90s where, you have a whole bunch of companies that are coming public all of a sudden and we had never heard of them before. The companies leading the charge are, Amazon and Google and Microsoft and Nvidia. These are companies that can afford the multi-billion-dollar capital outlay to be able to develop these large language models that it takes to create the tech that each of the companies that will come public in the future are going to build on. And so for now, I think the incumbents, the large tech names being the ones leading the charge, make me feel a little bit better about the cycle and less willing to use the word bubble.